The Lilydale to Warburton Rail Trail is a picturesque 40-kilometre recreational path that's perfect for walkers and cyclists alike. Following the path of a historic railway line, the trail winds through the stunning narrow valley, starting at the edge of Melbourne in Lilydale and finishing in the charming town of Warburton. With a gradual elevation change of only 135 metres over the entire trail, it's suitable for riders of all fitness levels.
The trail is well suited to cycling, walking and horse riding, and has a gentle gradient making it achievable for all ages and fitnesses.
While the trail can be enjoyed year-round, the best time to ride is during spring and autumn, when the weather is a little more mild.
Can you give me one takeaway fact that you've just learned there?
Berries built this train line.
There are several accommodation options available along the trail. However, I'd recommend booking ahead in advance, especially during the peak seasons. Getting to the rail trail is relatively easy, and there's a few good options available. If you have a bike, taking the train from the Melbourne CBD to the end of the Lilydale line is a convenient way to get to the trailhead. However, it is important to check the train timetables in advance, as the trains can sometimes be cancelled or delayed, as we found out. Alternatively, if you prefer to drive, it's about a 45-minute, very scenic drive from Melbourne to Lilydale. What you need to bring on the trail will depend on whether you plan to camp or stay in a hotel. In our case, we stayed in a hotel, so we didn't need to bring any camping gear. However, here's a list of essentials that I'd recommend for a fun and comfortable day on the bike. Bike bags or panniers to carry your essentials. A spare change of clothes for the evening if you plan to stay overnight, unless of course you prefer to party in your riding gear. Padded bike shorts definitely helps with the comfort. A water bottle or hydration pack. There's plenty of places to fill up along the trail, but it's always a good idea to bring extra water, just in case.
Chilled water. How bougie.
Now, this is a personal touch, but I like to bring a portable speaker, or even earbuds to listen to music or podcasts as you ride.
Let's all do it again.
From there, it's all rail trail, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Trail winds its way through stunning bushland, vineyards, mountain scenery, farmlands and forests, and offers breathtaking views and really unique experiences along the way. The rail trail offers plenty of opportunities to stop and refuel. Located in Seville, the Carriage Café is housed in a beautifully restored 1910s train carriage alongside the rail trail.
We are in the Carriage Café Seville.
They serve delicious homemade breakfasts and lunches made from fresh local produce. The Yarra Valley is known for its award-winning vineyards, cellar doors and wineries, making it an obvious destination for wine lovers. I highly recommend taking a detour from the trail, maybe 10 minutes or so, to check out some of the beautiful vineyards that this region has to offer.
That's a truffle, that's a blue Stilton. There's no shortage of biscuits.
Are you a little one?
Really terrifying, that guy that was he was the one with the mask.
Oh.
Terrifying.
That's smart.
Warburton is a picturesque town situated on the banks of the Yarra River, surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills. It's located a little ways east of Lilydale and on the way to Mount Donaboang, making it a perfect spot for a weekend getaway out of the city. In recent years, Warburton has become a hotspot for mountain bikers, with its network of world-class mountain biking trails attracting riders from all over Victoria. But even if mountain biking isn't your thing, there's still plenty to enjoy in Warburton. Take a stroll along the river, enjoy a picnic in the park, or visit one of the many cafés and restaurants in town.
Tom, what's your favourite part about the Warburton River?
Look, I think it's a pretty crispy cold water.
The water's cold and the coffee's hot.
Yeah. I'm a bit of a fan of Warburton.
It's good.
Yeah.
I love it.
Make sure you take some time to explore Warburton before you make your way back along the trail to Lilydale. We only had the one night, but it didn't take long for us to wish that we had a little longer in this charming little town.
There's plenty of places to stay in Warburton, but one of my favourite places was the Alpine Hotel.
The Alpine Hotel in Warburton is a heritage-listed hotel established in 1885, which has been recently restored to its former glory. The hotel has 32 vintage rooms of accommodation situated above the bistro dining areas and the front bar.
Not bad little rooms. A couple of single beds.
Riverview rooms overlook the Yarra River, while ensuite rooms offer internal views of the hotel atrium. The hotel also features a large beer garden that can accommodate up to 250 guests and offers over 16 beers on tap.
Guests can enjoy live music and great food, all while being looked after by the friendly staff.
The other great thing about this place is that they have bike lockers to leave your bike overnight when you ride here, right next to the hotel. The Lilydale to Warburton Rail Trail is an ideal weekend escape for visitors to Melbourne, especially those interested in cycling and bikepacking. The scenery along the trail is breathtaking, passing through lush forests, expansive fields and picturesque mountain vistas. It's a fantastic way to appreciate the natural beauty of the Yarra Valley. Hopefully that's given you a good overview and a bit of information on how to have a great weekend outside of Melbourne. But there's plenty more to discover, so looking forward to showing you a little bit more later on. Thanks for watching.